Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable the store mode on your DYON Movie Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the sidebar and on the sidebar select Settings menu. Now here in the Settings menu, we're gonna have to scroll down to System menu and then select the Advanced Settings, which is the last option on the list. And here you're gonna have to scroll down to Usage Mode, open Usage Mode menu, and here you'll be able to enable Store Mode by selecting the Store Mode option. And this way you will enable the Store Mode. To return to the previous mode, we're gonna have to press the Home button to return to the home screen, and then scroll down to System, once again Advanced Settings, and once again Usage Mode, and now change it to the Home mode instead. Then agree to terms of privacy service license agreement and all the rest. Click agree, and now the Home mode is enabled on your TV. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.